In today's video, I'm going to be sharing a step-by-step tutorial on how to create a landing page to grow an email list using systeme.io. Let's go.
I won't stop. No.
What's going on, everyone? It's me, Melvin, and I'm back again with another video. On this channel, we talk about make money online, print on demand, how-to tutorials, and reviews. If this is content you like, do me a quick solid. Smash that like button, destroy that subscribe button, make sure you hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any future videos. And without further ado, let's move on with the content. Alright, so how to create a landing page to grow your email list, alright? In this tutorial, I'm actually going to be including a lead magnet right along, alright? So what is the next step? It's going to be to set up a lead magnet in Google Drive. So that's what we're going to do right now. I'm going to move along. You guys can screenshot this and pretty much just follow along in this tutorial. All you have to do is go to drive.google.com and you're going to have access to a page that looks like this. Just make sure you signed in with your Google account so that way you can see what I'm seeing, alright? So after you do that, all you want to do, right, is go right here where it says new. Click on file upload and you want to locate that actual ebook that you want to upload into Google Drive. Here it goes. I'm going to click on open, and as you can see, it uploaded right here. So after it uploads, all you want to do is double click on it and you're going to have access to your actual PDF, okay, your lead magnet. So what I want you guys to do, right, is right here on the top right, is click on these three dots, click on this button right here that says share, and right here where it says general access, you want to make sure that it says anyone with the link, alright? It's really important that you actually click that, and because you do have restricted, but you want to make sure it says anyone with the link. After you do that, you want to make sure you copy that link and you want to click on done. Next step, I recommend you guys go open up a Google Doc and just start a new document from blank, and you want to paste in that actual Google Drive link, alright? Just keep it right there. We're going to get to that here in a second. Alright, you guys, so the next step is going over to systeme.io. Link will be in the description, alright? So once you're logged in, next thing you want to do is click on funnel. So let's actually move right along. You're going to be brought up to this page. All you need to do is click right here where it says funnels. Click on this button right here to the top right that says create, and you want to actually name your funnel. So I'm going to type in the commissions ebook. Okay, now I'm going to click on this button right here that says build an audience, and right below it you're going to see euro. You want to click on your currency, so I'm going to click on US dollar. I'm going to click on create. So once you're here, you pretty much want to pick an actual template that you can actually work off of. So I'm going to go and find an actual template that I actually want to work with. Alright, so I'm going to click on this one right here. We can actually preview it. Let's actually preview it real fast. And as you can see, real simple. And one thing to keep in mind, when it comes to simple, simple does work. So I like the way it looks, so I'm going to select it. Now you want to give your actual funnel a name. So I'm going to type in something like free ebook. So right here where it says URL path, you can change this part right here as well. So you could put something like free book. And you want to make sure you click this save funnel step. So after you save your funnel step, next thing you want to do, right, is click on this button right here that says edit page. So once you're here in this section, it's pretty much drag and drop, plug and play. If you want to add a different image, all you have to do, right, is click right here in this background. Make sure it's highlighted green. Just click anywhere there, and right here to the left you're gonna see where it says background image. All you have to do, right, is just click right here and you can upload an image. If you actually want to change the color of this background, all you have to do, right, is click right here and you can change the color of the background. Okay, real simple, real easy. Alright, and you can save changes. So right here where it says the 3-step system to sell on autopilot, I'm gonna type in something like how to start your own successful online business. Okay, so in this subheading I can type in something like free download plus training. Alright, something to keep in mind. Now I'm gonna click right here where it says send me the video training. So I'm gonna click right there, and you want to make sure, right here to the left where it says action when button click, you want to make sure it says send form. Okay, now you want to make sure it goes to the next step. Okay, and all you want to do, right, is click on save changes. Now you can click on this button right here right next to save changes, and that's the exit. Now we want to move on to the thank you page. So once you click on thank you page, all you want to do is pick on a template. So I'm going to pick this one right here. I'm going to leave it just like that. Just thank you page, download page. Okay. And right here for URL path, I can just put something like thank you. And I'm gonna click on save funnel step. All right, so now that I saved that funnel step, all I want to do, right, is edit this actual funnel. So I'm gonna click on edit page. You can type in pretty much whatever you want right here, okay? So thank you for subscribing. Click the button below to access free training. Check your email, you know, for your free ebook, okay? Something like that. So I'm gonna keep it real simple, guys. I'm gonna leave it the way it is. So just the only thing I'm gonna change right here is this button. So I'm gonna click right here where it says click here to join our community for free. I'm gonna change that, and I'm gonna type in access free training. Okay. Now, one thing to keep in mind, you want to make sure that your actual thank you page and your funnel, you know, is congruent, right? The colors are matching, things like that, okay? But just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm just showing you how you guys can do it, okay? It's real simple, it's not hard. Now for right here, I'm gonna type in something like check your email for free ebook, and for this section I'm gonna delete it. Click OK. Delete this as well. Now for this, I actually can bold it, okay? And I can bring out the font size, okay? So right here where it says access free training, I'm gonna click on that once again. I'm actually gonna put now, okay? Access free training now. So now that it says access free training now, okay? Right here where it says action, open URL, now I wanna send them to an affiliate product, okay? And once I set up the automation, I'm gonna send them their free ebook, okay? But right now, I actually want to send them to an actual training from an affiliate product, okay? So I'm gonna show you that here right now. So I'm right here on ClickBank, and there's this actual product, right, that says easiest system ever, done for you affiliate marketing system. All I'm gonna do, right, is click on this promote button, okay? That's my nickname. I'm gonna create hop link, and here I go. I'm gonna copy this link. I'm gonna go right here to this URL path in system, and I'm actually going to paste in that actual ClickBank URL path, okay? So now what I'm gonna do is click on save, and I'm gonna click on exit. As a recap, right here, this is your actual funnel, okay? You have your free ebook. So what we're gonna do is click on this edit page, and right here for this button, right, is where it says send me the video training. I can actually change that, okay? I can type in something like access now, okay? I could bring up the font size just like so, and I can actually change the font style, and I can actually bold that just like so. And one thing to keep in mind, the action when this button is clicked is gonna send the form to the next step, okay? Always remember, you want to make sure you click on save changes, and you want to click on exit. And the thank you page, you're going to click on this edit button. And remember guys, you want to keep it congruent. So my first funnel step was actually orange. Just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm leaving it the way it is, okay? But as you can see, thank you for subscribing. Check your email for free ebook. And right here it says access free training now. So if I click there, right here, the action when this button is clicked is to open the URL, and it's gonna send them right over here to this affiliate product, okay? So now we're actually gonna test this out to see how it works. So all I'm gonna do, right, is click right here on this URL path, this little link right here. I'm gonna click right there. I'm gonna go right here. I'm gonna click Command V, and as you can see, it brings me to this page, okay, that I actually created. So right here it says 100% free download plus training. I'm just gonna type in my name, okay? Now for email, I'm just gonna grab one. Now I'm gonna click on access now. And as you can see, it brings me to my thank you page. Now it says thank you for subscribing. Check your email for free ebook. Access free training now. I'm gonna click on this button, and as you can see, it brings me to this affiliate product, okay? So it's real simple stuff to set all this up, all right? Now the next step in this whole entire process, right, is actually going over to where it says automations. We're gonna wanna click on the workflows, okay? Because now what we wanna do, right, is set up this email, okay? So after somebody signs up, okay, in that funnel, they put their name and their email, they get access to the training, they're gonna be expecting that email with that free ebook, okay, and that lead magnet. So that's pretty much why you actually provide a lead magnet to your subscribers, right? Because you're giving them that free ebook in exchange for that email. It's real simple, right? All we're gonna do is click on this button that says create. Right here, we're just gonna type in something like book just to keep things simple. But pretty much in this section, all you want to do, right, is type in whatever affiliate product that you're actually promoting or starting an email list on. You actually want to put that right there, okay? So for the sake of this, I'm putting book. I'm going to click on create. I'm going to click right here where it says book. Now I'm going to create my first trigger. So I'm going to click on this green button here. I'm going to choose a trigger. Now for this one, I'm going to click on funnel form subscribed, okay? Occurs when the contact has just subscribed to a form. So remember, once they put in their name and their email, that's going to create this trigger, okay, for this form. So we're going to click there. Now I'm going to click on this button that says select. Okay, I'm going to click right here where it says ebook 1, okay? Now I'm going to click on create. So now it says subscribe to free ebook 1 form, okay? So you see this little plus button right here? I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click on action. Now I'm going to choose an action. I'm going to click on send an email. And I'm going to click on create a new one. So for subject, I'm going to type in free ebook. Okay. Now I'm going to click on save and edit. So right here in this section, right, I have the subject free ebook. Now I typed up a little email, okay? So it says hi, first name. Now if you're wondering why is the parentheses and all that stuff right there, if you look right here to the right, there's available substitutes. You could just copy this red thing right here, okay? First name, you can actually paste it right there. Now when this email sends out, it's going to send it to that actual person, okay? It's going to say their name, all right? The name that actually subscribed to the funnel. So if it's Melvin, it's Melvin. Hi, Melvin. All right. So right here where it says download book here, we're going to highlight that, okay? We're going to click on this little link button right here, all right? So once we click on that, now we're going to put in that URL for our book that we actually saved in Google Doc. All I'm going to do is just paste that in right there, okay? And I'm going to click on OK. Right here to the bottom of this actual email, it says this free training can help you get started. All right, so you want to make sure, right, that in your email you're actually delivering what you promised. So if you promised a free ebook, you're gonna actually deliver that free ebook, okay? But remember, you gave them a free training as well. And just in case they did not see that free training, in this email you can actually include that training as well. So right here it says this free training can help you get started. So I'm gonna highlight that. I'm gonna click on this little link button right here, and I'm gonna type in that actual affiliate product, okay, for that training. Just like so. I'm gonna click on OK, and now I'm good to go. Now all I have to do, right, is click on right here where it says save. So you wanna make sure you put your sender information in, and all you have to do is click on save. Now, when somebody subscribes to this form, a free ebook along with the training is going to be sent in this email, okay? Now, if you want to see how your actual ebook and your email looks, all you have to do is click right here and click right here on this button that says choose and edit, and you can actually see, you know, your email along with your book right there. You got your link to the training right here, and if you want to actually check the link out, all you have to do is just double click and you're going to see that URL right there, okay? If you see it highlighted blue, that means it's in full effect and it's ready to go. All right. So I'm going to click on save. Now I forgot to mention right here, right under subscribe to free ebook 1 form, I'm going to click on this little plus button again. Okay. And I'm going to click on delay. And right here, I'm going to click on minutes. And I'm going to click on create. Okay. Because I want it to send right away within a minute. Okay. After somebody subscribes to the actual funnel, I want it to be sent within a minute. So I'm going to click on create, just like so, okay? So once somebody subscribes to the actual funnel, in a minute, they're going to be sent that email, okay? Real simple. Now for this one, if you have a whole bunch of email swipes, you can continue adding in your other emails pretty much the same way. All you have to do is click on this plus button, click on action, and then you're going to create an action. We're going to click on send an email, create a new one, and then you're going to want to put in your subject right there. So I'm going to type in today. Okay, click save and edit, and right here you could type out your email. Okay, now if you have a bunch of email swipes, all you have to do is just have your email swipes open in another page, just copy and paste them in right here and add your affiliate links within your email and click on save, and then you can exit. All right, real simple stuff. We don't have to overcomplicate it. After you send your first email, you want to create another action just like we did right here, right, where we're waiting a minute. So I'm going to click on this button here. I'm going to click on delay. Now I'm going to click on days, and we want to wait a day. All right? We don't want to send them a bunch of emails in one day. So every day you can send them an email, or every 2 days. It all depends, up to you. But I'm gonna click on 1 day, click create, and as you can see, it's structured. All right, you have the form here. They subscribe to that. It's gonna wait a minute. It's gonna send them a free ebook. It's gonna wait a day. It's gonna send them another email. Real simple stuff. After you do that, you're gonna hit exit. Now, I actually wanted to point out to you, as you can see right here, I have 2 leads. So anybody that subscribes to your actual landing page, to your funnel, you're gonna see that information right here, okay, as new leads. Now, if you look to the right, you're gonna see the actual email address. All right, now if you click on contacts and click on that button right here that says contacts, you're gonna see the email addresses right there. So the more your email address starts growing, you can start doing other things, all right, such as sending newsletters. All right, you can send a newsletter with the new product that you have to your whole entire email list, right? Selling a digital product, okay? And you're gonna sit here and make really good money. So the more you grow your email list, the more potential you'll have to make money. It's real simple, it's not hard, and it's not complicated. And that's pretty much all I have for today's video. Now, in the description below, I will leave a link to systeme.io so that way you can check it out for yourself. And I will also leave a link to Google Slides where it'll give you a walkthrough, step-by-step process and a whole breakdown on this entire video, okay? And also, if you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to answer those questions. Now, stay tuned for more videos with systeme.io because I'm going to show you next on how to sit here and sell digital products using systeme.io. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.